Welcome to our Countertop Ice Machine Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular ice makers, the budget-friendly AGLUCKY and the premium COWSAR. Both machines promise efficient ice production, but they cater to different needs and budgets. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. The AGLUCKY ice maker is priced at an impressive $99.99, making it an excellent choice for those on a budget. In contrast, the COWSAR ice maker comes with a hefty price tag of $679.99. While both machines offer similar ice production capabilities, the price difference is significant, reflecting the additional features of the COWSAR. When it comes to portability, the COWSAR ice maker stands out with its compact design and built-in carrying handle, making it easy to transport. The AGLUCKY, while functional, lacks these portability features, making it more suitable for stationary use in kitchens or offices. Noise level is an important consideration for many users. The COWSAR ice maker operates at an ultra-quiet level of under 42 decibels, making it ideal for quiet environments. The AGLUCKY, while described as quiet, does not specify its noise level, which may be a concern for some potential buyers. In conclusion, the AGLUCKY ice maker offers exceptional value for those seeking an affordable and efficient ice production solution. On the other hand, the COWSAR ice maker caters to those who prioritize portability and ultra-quiet operation, albeit at a higher price. Consider your needs and budget when choosing between these two models. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.